Dia de los Muertos, Day of the Dead, is a 2-day holiday that reunites the living and the dead. Families create ofrendas at their homes and gravesites to honor their departed family members. These altars are decorated with bright yellow marigold flowers, photos of the departed, and the favorite foods and drinks of those being honored. The offerings are believed to encourage visits from the land of the dead as the departed souls hear their prayers, smell their foods, and join the celebrations. A typical ofrenda is a simple concept. It consists of items that will identify the person that it is dedicated to, along with staples of the celebration, such as pan de muerto, a traditional sugary pastry adorned with bone and skull shapes made from the same bread, and marigold petals. Dia de los Muertos is a rare holiday for celebrating death and life. It is unlike any other, where mourning is exchanged for celebration. Calaveras are ubiquitous for Day of the Dead. The skulls are often drawn with a smile to laugh at death itself. A calavera, a sugar skull, is a decorated skull made by hand from either sugar or clay. They can also be made into sugar candies, clay decorations, and even memorable face paintings. These sugar skulls are decorated and placed on ofrendas for loved ones. Marigolds are believed to be the pathways that guide the spirits to their ofrendas. The flower's vibrant colors and scents attract the departed souls as they return to feast on their favorite foods. We call them flor de muerto. They symbolize the beauty and fragility of life. Marigold flowers include around 60 annuals and perennials that are all native to Mexico and Central America. Dia de los Muertos is typically celebrated over 2 days, although some Latin American countries celebrate longer. November 1st is Dia de los Angelitos, celebrating children. November 2nd is Dia de los Difuntos, which celebrates adults. Dia de los Muertos is a celebration and reminds us that death is a part of life we can honor. This view of death dates back to the Aztecs, whose festival celebrated the dead and paid homage to the Lady of Death that protected their departed loved ones and helped them into the afterlife. In Mexican culture, we call her La Catrina. She has become a symbol of the Day of the Dead, representing the cycle of life and death. This year, we hope that you celebrate Dia de los Muertos and learn about your own departed loved ones, like grandparents or great-grandparents. You can create your own ofrenda at home and even decorate your loved one's gravesite with your mom and dad. This is a chance for you to learn about your family history and honor those that have passed with joy.